Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson in history, the French Revolution. We have reached 3.1, the Reign of Terror. Reign means rule, the rule of terror, that is 1793 to 1794, 1 year. So people lived in fear. Why? What was the reason for that? So now, before this, let's go back to a few points. The king was arrested, King Louis XVI and his queen. They were arrested, they were put behind bars, they were imprisoned, and a trial was, they faced the trial. And the king, King Louis XVI, he was publicly executed. He was publicly, in full public view, he was guillotined at a place named De la Concorde in the year 1793. That was on 21st January of 1793. King Louis XVI was guillotined publicly in front of the public at a square named De la Concorde. And after a few months, his queen met the same fate. And after that, now here comes the Reign of Terror. Now, assembly was formed, voting was done, people of age 21 and above, they were allowed to vote, and an assembly was formed, and the assembly tried and killed the king, and they were punished. The king and the queen were punished. After that, the Reign of Terror 3.1. Now we'll talk about the period from 1793 to 1794 is known as a Reign of Terror. It is referred or said as a Reign of Terror. It is said to be a Reign of Terror, or people lived in fear. What was the reason? Robespierre, he was the leader of the Jacobin Club. Robespierre followed the policy of severe control and punishment. Since Jacobin Club, members of the Jacobin Club were in majority, naturally Robespierre was their leader and he became the head of the country. So Robespierre followed the policy of severe control. Severe means very strict control and punishment. To whom did he punish? He punished those conservative people, ex-nobles, the ministers. During the period of King Louis XVI, they were the nobles, these ex-nobles, clergies, priests, members of other political parties, and even member of his own party who did not follow his method and ideas. They were put behind bars. Member of the other political parties, even member of his own party who did not agree with his methods and ideas, were seen as enemies of the republic. Now France became a republic. There was an end of monarchy and republic was formed after the elections. They were arrested, these people were arrested. Nobilities, their relatives, clergies, and even their relatives, and even those who supported the kings, they were all arrested. Even other political parties who did not follow or who opposed him, they were arrested. Even the member of his own party, or the Jacobins, who opposed, who did not appreciate or follow his ideas or views or method, were seen as the enemy of republic, and they were arrested, imprisoned, put behind bars, and tried. A trial was set, tried by the Revolutionary Tribunal. Tribunal means law. Revolutionary law. According to that, if they were found guilty, Suppose if they were found guilty and they were guillotined. Guillotined means their head were chopped off. They were guillotined. So in this way, there was a kind of fear among the people. People lived in fear. So he means Robespierre, the leader, he imposed maximum taxes on prices, on wages. Whoever got the high wages, they were taxed. On the prices of goods, he taxed it. He imposed maximum taxes. Meat and bread were rationed. Person could purchase certain amount of meat and bread. That's all, not more than that. So, meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to sell their grain at a fixed price provided by the government in the market. They cannot exceed the price. They could not increase the price. The price was fixed by the government and they have to sell it in the market. The use of white flour, which was quite expensive, the use of white flour was forbidden. People were allowed to use the brown bread, not the white bread. They must eat the brown bread. The white bread was not allowed. And you see, white flour was not allowed, forbidden. Churches were shut down. Previously, when the king was there, King Louis XVI, there were churches, clergies, and they extracted maximum taxes and profited themselves. Now, during the reign of terror, during the reign of Robespierre, churches were shut down and they were converted into barracks and government offices. No churches. Churches were shut down, turned into barracks. Barracks means where soldiers, armies, they were kept, they were stationed there. And even they were turned into government offices. But his supporters saw that this is an oppressive nature of this Robespierre. But his supporters began to demand modernization. So his supporters wanted something else. Modernization, not this way. This is very cruel and very oppressive. It should not be like that. So they started talking against him, and he means Robespierre. Robespierre was convicted by the court, revolutionary court, tribunal. He was also found guilty because he misused his power. Certain powers he misused. He was convicted, found guilty by the court in July 1794. In 1794 he was found guilty. On the day he was found guilty, in front of the court, he misused his power, and naturally the very next day he was guillotined in the public square. He was guillotined like the king. His head was cut off. He was not given any time. The next day, when he was found guilty, the next day he was guillotined. Why it was done like that? Because he was very, very cruel and oppressive. So naturally he was not given a chance. Otherwise he will again start some conspiracy. That's why he was not given any chance. The next day he was guillotined. So that came to an end of terror, reign of terror. So this is about reign of terror. In the book it is quite long. Now here I made it short to the point, and there are 7 points. Just short 7 points. Remember this. So now in our next class we'll talk about the directory rules for France. That is 3.2. Here is 3.1. In our next class we'll have 3.2, the directory rules for France. So we'll talk in our next class. This much for today. Stay safe. Study regularly at home. Go through online portal and don't waste your time. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.